The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
Didn't I say that?
No, Laws, you didn't say that. You didn't even say that. Every night before you go to bed, where you used to say your prayers, I want you to repeat, the rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain 50 times. You get a lot further with the Lord if you learn not to offend his ears. Now for your H's. Pickering is going to be gossip.
Control yourself, Higgins. Give the girl a chance.
Of course, no one expects her to get it right the first time. Now watch closely, Eliza. You see this feather? Every time you say your H correctly, the feather will waver. Every time you say it incorrectly, the feather will remain stationary. That is how you know if you've got it right. In time, your ear will hear the difference. Now repeat after me. In Hertford, Hereford, and Hampshire, hurricanes hardly ever happen.
In Hertford, Hereford, and Hampshire, hurricanes hardly ever happen.
No idea at all, you know.
Shall I do it over?
No, we must start from the very beginning. Do this. Ha, ha, ha.
Ha, ha, ha.
Well, go on, go on. Kind of you. Now watch closely, Eliza. How kind of you to let me come.
How kind of you to let me come.
No, Eliza, kind of you, kind of you. It's just like cup of tea. Kind of you, cup of tea, kind of you. When I say cup of tea.
A cup of tea?
No, Eliza, a cup of tea. Now try it again. A cup of tea, a cup of tea.
A cup of tea.
Can't you hear the difference? Put your tongue forward until it squeezes against the top of your lower teeth. Now say cup.
Cup.
Now say of.
Oh.
Quit, Professor Higgins. Quit, Professor Higgins. Here I will make an request. Professor Higgins. Stay no time, no time. Nothing, nothing in our way. Stay no time.
The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
I can't. I'm so tired.
For goodness sakes, Higgins, it must be 3 o'clock in the morning. Do be reasonable.
I'm always reasonable. Eliza, if I can go on for a blistering headache, you can.
Oh, I've had headache too.
Eliza, I know your headaches. I know your nerves are as raw as meat in a butcher's shop. But think of what you're trying to accomplish. Think of what you're dealing with, the majesty and grandeur of the English language. It's the greatest possession we have. The noblest of sentiments that have ever flowed from the hearts of men are contained in its extraordinary, imaginative, musical mixtures of sounds. It's what you have set to conquer, Eliza, and conquer it you will. Now, try it again.
The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
What was that?
The rain in Spain stays mainly mainly in the plain.
Again.
The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
I think she's gone. I think she's gone.
The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
By George, she's gone. By George, she's gone. Now once again, where does it rain?
On the plain, on the plain.
And where's that soggy plain?
In Spain, in Spain.
Rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. Rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. In Hartford, Hereford, Hampshire,
Hurricanes hardly happen. How kind of you to let me come.
now once again, where does it rain?
On a plane, on a plane.
And where's that blasted plane?
In Spain, in Spain.
Rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. Rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. Ole, ole. I think the time has come to try her out.
Mr. Higgins, are you feeling all right?
Yes, quite well. Thank you, Mrs. Pearce. And you?
Very well, thank you, sir.
Splendid. Let's take her in public and see how she fares.
Mr. Higgins, I was awakened by a strange pounding. Do you know what it might have been?
Pounding? I heard no pounding. Did you, Pickering?
No.
Mrs. Pearce, if this continues, I think you'd better see a doctor. I know. Let's take her to the races.
The races?
Yes, my mother's box at Ascot.
You'll consult your mother first, of course.
Of course. No. I think we'll surprise her. First thing in the morning, we'll go off and buy her a gown. Let's go to bed. Carry on with your work, Eliza.
But it's early in the morning.
What better time to work than early in the morning?
You've all been working much too hard, and I think the strain is beginning to show. Eliza, I don't care what Mr. Higgins says. I want you to put down your books and go to bed.